In a world where energy needs are constantly evolving, Cedar Hill Flowers have been at the forefront of sustainable innovation. In 2017, they took a bold step, installing their first 60 kilowatt system with Fronius Eco and Samo inverters. This marked the beginning of an energy revolution. Cedar Hill Flowers and Foliage carries out sustainable harvesting, processing, and packing of unique Australian native cut foliage under strict government guidelines, and they supply customers worldwide. Sustainability is at the core of their business model and the Fronius business model. It was a perfect fit. So tell us a little bit about the vision behind the system.
So we chose Fronius just for its reliability in the industry. Their monitoring capabilities allowed us to keep an eye on the system to make sure that it's doing exactly what we needed it to do for the client. Cedar Hill's energy needs are changing, so we need to make sure that the system's performing today and also tomorrow.
In 2021 and 2022, Uni-Industries undertook expansions that perfectly complemented the original installation, ensuring seamless integration, bringing the total inverter capacity on site to 95 kilowatts.
How has the solar system impacted your energy consumption over the past 8 years?
So over the last 8 years, we've produced 1.2 gigawatts of power and saved the business over $200,000. The system has helped us reduce our reliance on the grid and improved our environmental impact.
Fronius offers advanced functionality via the SolarWeb platform. We're able to track the generation on site and also track consumption. This allows Cedar Hill to best utilise their energy and make the most out of the system. Cedar Hill's journey is a testament to innovation, reliability and sustainability. With Uni-Industries' expertise and the advanced capabilities of Fronius technology, the future of sustainable energy is brighter than ever. Discover how advanced energy solutions can transform your business or home. Learn more about Uni-Industries and the power of Fronius today.